First, my birthday.
What day is it?
You don't remember that it's my birthday?
Wait, it's whose birthday?
Oh, it's literally my birthday, bro. What the fuck?
No, it's literally my birthday, bro. What the fuck?
Why? Why is that even there? What the hell's wrong with the sidewalk? There's just a random speed bump on the sidewalk?
I mean, you could change the clocks. Holy shit. Ew.
Yo, fire hydrant? All right, hold on, I gotta go pee.